Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX company, and I do believe that guys, you are all doing good. Oh my. This is the time now to transform all traders who have been fearing to trade gold, and you wanted to be a very, very profitable, daily profitable trader. When trading gold, you want to be safe. I just want you to watch this video very, very, very closely, because today we are launching TAFX Gold Hunter. This is the only EA that deals with only gold, does not trade anything else. We have set everything according to the movement of the gold, according to how the gold behaves, and trust me, this one is the all traders that needs. The point number one, there is no risk with this EA. It's a free risk. What am I trying to say here, guys? I do believe this will amaze a lot of people and will shock people. And some in the first thing I know, some are not even believing what I'm about or what I'm saying. But what I'm trying to tell you guys, I just want you to watch this video closely to understand how this system works. I'm just going to give tips of how this system works, so that you can make your own decision. But trust me, if you are being, you are outside there and you have been willing to trade gold, and maybe you have been fearing because of the behaviors of the gold, because the gold gives good money and gold takes good capital. My friend, this is the only EA that you'll be trade 100% sure it will never blow your account. And I advise every trader to have from $300 and above to trade gold with free risk management. Let me go straight to the introduction of this video or this gold EA, so that you can understand how it works and how safe you are. I've been telling you guys that one day, one time, we'll give the broker sleepless night. Watch this video and tell me if this is not, then what else? So, number one, we have only two templates here. One is for the trading chart, and this one suits any chart, candle chart, whether you want to trade minute 1, whether you want to trade minute 5, but I will advise don't go less than minute 5, trade from minute 5 to 1 hour time frame. Now, everybody knows the behaviors of gold. You can see sometimes it's very, very unpredictable. You don't know where to go after hitting your stop loss, then the market jam, blah, 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 blah. But watch this video closely to get full understanding. What kind of a gold is this that can suit to all traders? Any trader can use this gold and make a good money, and you will never, ever blow your account, because the EA is capable of, get this in mind, recovering instantly whatever they have took from you. I'll be sharing the videos direct from how the EA behaves, but let me give a good introduction. So number one, if you're trading candle, you just pick this TFX Gold Hunter candle charts. Simple as that. Now, let me zoom in for you to understand what I'm trying to tell you, that this is a free and you'll never blow your account. 100%. This is 100%. People say that, oh, they'll never be 100%. Yes, I know. But to recover your money instantly, it's 100%. Why am I saying this? Number one, we have adjusted our sub-D to be a very, very low risk. Now, for instance, we have seen when using a minimum lot size, you can't go more than $2 drawdown. It has never reached there. 1.8, 1.6. This is why I'm advising you to take the link on our description so that you can open with this broker that we have been using. So let me show something here. This is your entry point, and stop loss automatically, it will be placed there by the EA itself. Let me enlarge this one so that everyone can see it. A very, very few from here to here, if you must lose there, it won't go more than $2. That's 100% when using 0.01. All right. Then from there, the market is yours. But I just want to share what you are familiar with when trading gold or any other currencies. All right. Suppose, let's say for instance, suppose market refuse to go up and go down. We all know, and I want you to see and watch this market closely, the movement of the market, because this EA will make money even when the market is ranging. We have the setup that you can avoid any ranging market, but now that's not a problem, because when the market is ranging or when the market is creating the pattern, that is when people get confused. That's when people waiting for the entries. A lot of stuff happen there. But I want to share with you something that you are so familiar, 100% familiar with, even the way you are seeing this chart. All right, guys. Suppose the market refused, maybe take the buy, then the market went against you. The moment the moment market will hit your stop loss, it will open sell automatically. And number one, after opening the sell, the first thing the EA will do, it is to recover the loss that you went here. Those are $2, not above that. All right. And let me show you why it's 100% that you'll be recovering your losses immediately. I want you to see the movement of the market. So even if the market breaks you, it will go up somehow, like here, deceive people that is going up, and it can drop down. We all can see that the market goes like this one, all right? But you don't know exactly here. Let's say, for example, there was a sell somewhere here. Then the market went deceive like, let me look for a good example, because it's all examples are here. What I'm trying to tell you, they are here where the market is ranging. Get this well. Suppose, let's say, for example, let me draw another horizontal line here. Suppose our sub-D was somewhere here. The market took buy and then went down. All right, let me advance it to this place. Suppose the market came, take buy, went up, and then drop and hit our stop loss. It must at least go a small or few pips. Then the market can continue going up. I don't know if you are understanding what I'm trying to tell you here. Let me show you with this pen. The market can drop, deceive people like it's going up, and assume the EA picked the buy at this point. The market can drop from that point to here, all right? Then it can go to this place again, then drop to here, or the market can go direct upwards. So what I'm trying to tell you here, after the market deceived you at this area, it will hit your stop loss. And let's say, for example, here was your buy, all right? It went like a profit of $2 or $5 or whatever. Then the market went against you immediately. And you start seeing the negative of $3. And I do believe you have been seeing this. But because the market went against you, we have analyzed the gold 100%. The moment it will drop here, it will give you a profit of more than $3, all right, before again the market goes up or maybe continue dropping. So the good thing is, after they take the stop loss of $2 here, when the market will drop like $2 here or $3, it will close automatically because it has recovered the loss And why am I saying the loss cannot go beyond $2? It is because of the setup we have of our super zone or our sub D. So the entries here, and if the market goes against you, the stop loss will be here, and that cannot go more than $2. Then immediately, even if the market will drop just a one candle like this one, and we all know, in this distance, it's normal in gold. You can see them, they are all over. They are all over, everywhere. This distance are there. And this distance, it's only for helping you recover the loss after they hit your stop loss. I just wish if you can get what I'm telling you now, because this one, it's what will blow your mind. No losing money in gold. We will no longer, or you will never, ever lose money in gold again. Right, guys? Because this is the normal. This is the way gold behaves. And we are saying here, if they hit your stop loss of $2, trust me, any small drop like this one, it will cover your dollar and it will stop from there. The EA will stop there and look for another, for a trending signal. So anytime they try to manipulate, deceiving people like maybe they are going up, all right, because sometimes the market went like it want to go down, but immediately it hits this area, people thinking that the market now is a downtrend, then it can go up, it can deceive you and go up again. We don't care now about this behavior. All we know, if they hit our stop with only this small movement here, before market deciding where to go, will be out of market. It will recover always. We have said this to recover your losses always, always, guys, always. It doesn't matter what. Are you getting the point now? So for those people who have been loving to trade the gold, this is now your opportunity. This one, any trader, even if you are a new beginner now, you can trade gold. If you have been willing to trade gold, this is your chance now. And I'm repeating this again. All right? I'm repeating this, guys, again. Suppose they hit, suppose there is our entry at this point. Let's say our sub D is here because this is a support, all right? And always sub D indicates support and resistance. All right, guys? Now, get this. It is 100%. If you check this small movement here, if they hit our stop loss at this point, trust me, if it was a fall or they wanted to leave a week like this one, it will drop somewhere there. Then, boom, again, then the market will go up. I know you know what I'm saying here. Even if you are new Forex trader, trust me, this is what you need. So this tells you a good that it will hit your stop loss here and open a sell, and this sell you lose like this buy you lose like $2, but it will be covered here. Then the EA will stop, will close everything and wait the new signal. When again they will break this area, the moment they will touch here again, it will open another buy here, then you can go with movement. So you can hold. But in case if it goes loss, it must recover every loss before it continue taking long trades and whatever. So you have nothing to worry about where to set stop loss, what to do. It is simple as that. And I'm telling you this, that the EA can trade any time frame, not less than from minute 5. And this is what I'm trying to tell you. Check here in minute 5. You can see there is a lot of zigzag at this unpredictable market. You don't know where the market is going, but the sub D is here and the stop loss will be placed here automatically. So you don't have to worry whether the market is ranging or not. And if you want to avoid the exact ranging like here, because all these area, All right, guys, all this area, it is a ranging market. If you want to avoid this, get this. If you want to avoid this, we have a good setup about how to avoid all this ranging market. If you don't have to do all those things, this is where now we apply our Renko. We are the best of the best now in the world when it comes to Renko. How do we trade with Renko? Remember, this is just an introduction to tell you now the gold EA is out. Nothing to fear, nothing to lose now. It is time to make money. It is the work of the EA to recover your losses without your hand, guys. Without your hand. All right. So let us go now. And I have told you can trade from 1 hour time frame, any time frame from minute 5 to 1 hour. These setups will help you a lot. We don't have to to set a lot of things because it is the work of the EA to check whether the market is trending, whether the market is ranging, and to make a good money for you. Oh my, we have already, we open, good. Let me show you something here now. As you can see now, it has already taken a buy. Why buy? Because when I jumped to minute 5, this is where our zone is. All right, where is our stop loss? Where you're seeing the red here, it is where our stop loss is. All right, let me stop here because it is jumping here because we have jumped to this time frame to another time frame. So don't do that. When you have attached your EA, don't jump from this time frame to another one to avoid a lot of signals, because this is what it's trying to do now, because even without hitting our stop loss, it can do that because we jumped from minute 10, we jumped to minute 5, again we are minute. So avoid that because it can the EA can pick the signal maybe from 1 hour, maybe from every time frame that you have been jumping to. So this is why you're seeing it's opening and closing. And so let's jump from here and avoid all these stuffs. And I wanted to show you where the stop loss can be placed. What line you're seeing here, it's where our entry is if it is a buy, and the stop loss will be placed at this line. And if it is a sell, here it is the sell, and the stop loss will be placed here. All right, let me stop this to avoid all these gabra here. All right, let me open another chart. I don't want the EA to continue doing that. Let me open here in case, because we are in 1 hour time frame. All right, we are not selling here. Let me close this one. Whenever you see something like this, you close. This is where we delete our global variables. All right, you go to tools to delete every history there. All right, then you open a new window, new chart, sorry, not a new window. Then you can place. Sorry for that. So now it can be stable because now we have deleted the global variables to delete all those history of many time frames to avoid those entering market, blah, 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 blah. So what I was trying to tell you is that if the market open a sell, let's say, for example, a buy, for example, it will pick buy there and the stop loss will be placed there automatically. And if they hit your stop loss, again, the EA will open the sale automatically. So let's go back to where our point was, to avoid, again, if you don't want to trade candles. And this is what I can even advise many, use the Renko. All right. So when trading the Renko, you just go to TFX Renko file, GLD, this is gold, all right? You just click it once, like that one. Then it is the work of the system to analyze the market and open the Renko chart. What you are seeing here in the Renko chart, it's unbelievable. All right? Because the reason why we are still not going to lose more than $2, see it here. We have adjusted, decreased the size of the sub-D to make sure that you are not going to lose any of your money again in Forex market. Then after taking this buy, the stop loss again will be placed there automatically. And the game is the same. In case they hit your stop loss, in case, it will open a sale automatically. For example, here there was a buy. If they continue dropping down, they will open a sell automatically and recover. After recovering, it will close and wait for a trending signal. We have given the best of the best signal that you are set up, that you don't have to struggle with anything. Remember, this EA, we have it for MT4 and this is for MT5. It trades like no other. Trust me. If they try to go against you, the EA will go with them. It will never work against you. This is the time for gold traders. And another thing you must understand, it is that with this EA, you will be banking money daily, as long as the market is moving. This is a sure bet EA that you will be banking money without wasting time. Number two, you can have two charts, two terminal. One can be trading gold and the other chart can be trading candles. So this means in another terminal, not the same terminal, because don't confuse the EA. One terminal can be trading only Renko. Go to another terminal. Get to any of the time frame, even if it is minute 10, then attach the EA, and you are good to go. Why am I telling you this? Even with $300 or $500 account, you'll be trading two terminals. Why? Because there is no big loss. The big loss is $2. $2 will be recovered immediately. So why stay there while the market is giving good money? While we have the best EA that will help you a lot to make money in Forex market. It is time to trade gold. For the first time, even we as a TFX company now, we are trading gold. We never do this until we read everything about the gold. So guys, that is an introduction of TFX Gold Hunter, the EA that can suit all traders and is a stress-free EA that will give you money by trading gold without fear. No more loss, no more blowing account. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.